Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best way to switch to Monzo in 2026. So here's the breakdown. Switching to Monzo in 2026 is easier than you might expect. So here's the smoothest part to make it happen. First, download the Monzo app and open an account by entering your personal details and verify your identity with a photos of your ID and a quick selfie. The app walk you through this in minutes, and you will get your UK regulated account number and sort code as soon as you are approved. Next, set up your essential payment. Move your salary to Monzo with direct deposit. Switch your regular bills over your rent, utility bills or subscription, and update any saved card for things like Netflix or Spotify. Use your Monzo spend and save spot to organize your money, one for bills, one for fun, and one for savings, and get automated transfer so you stay on budget without thinking about it. Finally, order your Monzo debit card, enable the Apple or Google Pay, and link any credit card you still use to keep everything in one place. If this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more smart banking tip, and comment which part of the switch you want step-by-step walkthrough for. And that's it.